how long you don't see me? Wanna listen me now? I have to whisper because I over this asleep. But they supposed to go up on the road and they plan to carry on with me, but I know about going away plans change. I'm sorry say the first time I see me in a long while. I feel some type of way because right now I feel overstimulated and have a little headache and I don't know, I don't know. But you don't know, so I've been gone a while. What if you can't see me? I'm turn up the brightness. Too high. Okay, that look better. But you don't know, so I've been gone a while. I'm have to come talk to you, don't it? So what's going on in my life? What's going on in my life? What more I want to tell you? That's the question. What more I want to tell you? I think I'm going to move on. I'm move on. Wait then. But what am I going to put on? I don't know if I put on. Don't mind the clothes. They don't know. Say a bit rain fall and everything wet. Little sun out the door, but not mind it because the rain soon come back down. So close the all about. Them look on the. If I fling, I will close them all about to try and make them dry. But may I look some up to put on so we can talk. I need a tripod, you know, but you never have no phone. I never bother with the tripod. So let's have a little chat. Let's do a little life update. First of all, before we go any further, always Raphael treat, Them say we never really get this time, right? Them say it pass over. So we've been getting a whole heap of rain which for me live. When we tell you whole heap, I mean whole heap. Excuse me. Unless say the girl put on little weight to now wonder what going. Yes, so one bag of rain fall. I have a new job. Someone who know, someone who did not know. You know, say me for write down the things that I say because I know say me I go forget everything but I don't want to tell you. I put you down. You can't turn this up? What do you think? You can't turn this up down. So yes. So obviously I've been AWOL for some time. Guys, it never intentional. Was not intentional. I did try to go live a couple of weeks ago for explain to you say my phone mash up. Them time there it never mash up so bad, but now it mash up like now we're not at all. This is a new phone. I don't want to brag pardon still, but it's a S23 Ultra. Oh, but that I pound. Anyways, I'm gonna get a new phone, get a new job. Right now I'm working at a gas station, which I live. Someone already know that because like I said, I go live one at a time. Before my phone mash up completely, I go on TikTok live a little bit and try to explain and catch up, but I know say I know all I want to follow me on TikTok. Got a new job at a gas station. I don't know I'm not gonna lie to you. I know I'm not gonna lie to you. No, I'm gonna tell you the truth every time. I'm not in love with it. I'm not in love with it and who may I tell? Think I did my friend me I said it before my phone mash up say. I said before I had Irene, so I left the work them. So but your life changes so much when you have a child because if I did just me, I left it long time. But like I have to get my priorities in order because I know say baby take money. So I have to stick with it for the time being. So I'm not gonna bash it because right now it put a little food on my table. So I'm not gonna bash it, but I am not in love with it. It's not the fact that it's a gas station, is little things that I don't wish to get into because from what I can see, like more people I'm not gonna get into that. Alright, what else? New job, new phone. What else? What else? What else may I have to tell you now? Oh, Iris daddy was here. I don't want to hear about that when mix up. No, no miss the sauce, you know. Iris daddy was here today. Today a Wednesday. Yeah man, him did there over the weekend. Him come Friday and him go Monday. So I get to spend some time with her daddy. It is safe to say she's a daddy's girl. I expect her to betray me for her daddy. She just start sleeping. Not sure her because she only have on pampers because I'm telling her say we dog up on the road. But me just feel overstimulated. Like you see, through a long time in a work. I start back work now when it come like say it is very exhausting because down at the gas station at 2 shift, you either work from 6 to 3 or 3 to 11. So some of the time I get the night shift and then boom, them just give me a morning shift. So some of the time I come like me not get no sleep. Anyways, I not complain because like I said the food, but I just feel tired in my body. But to them, I supposed to go at RGD. I don't know RGD me not go because but they tell you to say me I try put well not try me do it. Get Ira daddy name on our birth certificate. So a good while now it do. So I try to go pick it up today. I'm gonna bring Ira with me because I feel like she's been missing me since me start work. Like she get really clingy. She start to wake up 5 o'clock in the morning because she find out some morning she wake up and she not see me. She start wake up 5 o'clock in the morning. I kid you not. 5 o'clock every morning now Ira wake up. Like if she sees me still in the bed, she will go back to sleep. If she sees I left, problem. She don't want her granny to touch her because she knows I'm gonna leave her with her granny. So women just say, oh God, I was straight from the damn point and no, I don't remember what was the whole point. Oh yes, somebody's supposed to go down to RGD. We're gonna pick up her thingy. I was bringing her, that me just say. I was bringing her because you know I want to spend some time with her. So I'm just go pick up the thing with her and make me and her go eat like a KFC bad to bad. A long time I feel for one like a big deal. But sure, me just feel like drained overall. But in the vibe for going everything. But because area be kind of fussy, I mean, no say she want to sleep. She that be fussy still. So I just take off her clothes and say, you know, I'm gonna put her to bed, yeah, man. Put her to bed. So put her to bed. See her right there, so asleep. And after I go wear her, take me, I go take care of her. I say, no man, I go carry on up on the road with me. So bad to bad. A long time I not see me. I need to come talk to no. I'm gonna know what I want. Same way. Well, again, I still get free things off of Shein. If you're not getting the free things off of Shein, I bet I'm sorry for you. I want to tell you the code I use. Here is one code. If it no work, 0A1115NF. Get it? If that one didn't work, I don't tell no one new one. In a one piece of phone, I go show them the style. Hold on. How am I doing that goddamn phone there? Thumbnail. Where? Thumbnail. I can't find this one. But I want to show you. Look here. Check it out. So I'm telling you, I get free things off of Shein. I don't want to do the things that are 1 and 2 package. I call it about 4 package of free things already. I'm about 5 package of foreign. I wait for come to Jamaica. I'm going to show you what it is. Some of them with them. Wait, me come. This is a Tifline. No, not this. Then I want set. It's a 3 set. I said that it's same thing but just different color. So this is the top. Cute. And this at the bottom. So it's like a little crop top thing. I'm not supposed to see Irene them because I'm gonna make sure wear them. I'm gonna tell you the same thing, it just come in a different color. I come in a pink. Same thing. And it come in a grey. This outfit with Irene just did I go wear. Free things. Free things. This is the top. Cute, not true. Talk it truth. Can I see it good? At the top. And it come with the shorts. Yeah, but I never gonna make sure I'm gonna make sure wear the shorts here because this the shorts come with it still kinda big, but cute now. Cute man. What else? I got a dress set. This is one of them. I can't go dig them up. This is one of the dress. She did have on it this morning. She did have on this morning. And it also come with a purple one. Come with a purple one too, and it come with a white one with like purple flowers, honey. What else me get? Well on there, come think me did down wait. So when I get the free things, then I tell myself so I have to get some shoes for Ari because she da run out of footwear. Like she only have one slippers what could have fit her. So I said, no man, it bad. So I get the slippers, yeah. Free things. I'm already telling the trick for find where you want to find the free things. You have to search for where you want to see before you use the code. Search for where you want to see before you use the code. So you can kind of build up your algorithm a little bit and you will see it. So I'm going to get the slippers, yeah. Which is kind of big. I'm going to show you say, the size them in the baby things are foolish because this is a size 23. And Ari get another one which is size 24 and the fit are better than this even though it's still big. But anyway, I'm just showing the cute. Cute. Okay. Here's the other one. This one is the 24. And you see say it's smaller than the 23. That makes sense? But it's cute and it like durable because you see you see what I talk about? I don't know what a material is, but you can see say it's durable. And it's cute. Wait, they become have more. Get that little sneakers a fear, which is also from the city, no no say big. See I really look foot here. Big. But it's cute though. Cute man. And you know what too? I feel like I just the outside big enough because you see the inside, you can't see it, but the inside not big. The inside don't have that much space, but the outside just look really big. So I feel like maybe if we put like a thick socks on her. And that one is by far my favorite. Wait. Hey, me say I love the camera quality, yeah. I feel like everywhere just get dark for focus on the shoes. And look inside it warm. Fuzzy fuzzy. Cute man. I'm gonna make sure today, you know. I don't know. I'm not gonna catch RGD. But maybe when time she wake up and so we just got KFC save me. I don't know. That's how I feel. I feel like yeah. I don't know when I just feel a little way in myself. But this video is just like me feel like with me I talk about nothing, but I just want to catch up with you know and make you know say my phone up and running so I will be posting more. I'm gonna carry on work with me. I gotta work tomorrow, so I'm gonna carry on work with me. So look out for that video then. And then what the next thing, I don't want to use this phone for record pan. Like I want to fix my 11 Pro. Them say a screen you want. The last time I changed the screen, I just ordered one screen off of Amazon and replaced it. But it wasn't an original screen. So I find out that you want an original screen, the phone does start give me a problem. It can't out, it gone. So I asked one phone man, say 15 grand to fix it. So maybe when I get paid, if it can stretch and reach over there, I'm not sure if it can stretch. But when I get paid, if you can stretch and reach over them, I go fix it and just use the one there for record pan and just keep this in my personal phone. Because the phone kind of get cluttered when time I constantly record pan it. What the next thing? Oh, wanna get the government $20,000? Talk to me. If you didn't get the government $20,000, please go to www.jamaicatax.gov.jm and go apply for the government $20,000. But don't think it's free. I may tell this man is to get the government free money. I just may say that it come extra, but it is not free because it's just like a reverse pan the whole of the income tax them where you pay over the years. So some people not eligible for get it because if you never pay tax, you're not gonna get it. But just I tell you for information sake, so nobody waste your time. So if you never in a one job where them a draw tax out of your pay because mommy not get it. Mommy not get it, my sister foreign not get it. So me get it, yeah. I'm gonna want to go pick it up in the day too. When I'm gonna take me a reach over KFC, but now get the money and I go buy one big deal outside. Sorry. Crazy. But what else I have to tell you now? I don't know guys. Me there. I feel like I'm not my best. I'm gonna want to tell you this because I feel like say every time when you see me like I'm always upbeat and cheery and laughing. But I don't think it's realistic for me to present myself that way all the time because I'm not that way all the time. Because let's be real, me you might not have a problem like everybody else. But just trying to make them get me down. But little things that on my head, little things that on my head. I find myself. You know when you're in the taxi and you get the window seat, or just me. You know when you're in the taxi you get the window seat and you look out the window when the car drive and you just come like your brain lost. You're gone one part. Yeah, me find myself I do that often. So I know say some only for things like on my brain, but I know say things are gonna work themselves out same way. There are little things that I need to work on. Women are ready for talk to you about it. But you know me gonna talk to you about them because you know me love chat like that, yeah? But anyways, Christmas a come. Anybody want to give me a Christmas present? I'm gonna take it. Me a buy matching pajamas. Me not buy free things. Matching pajamas for me and my baby. Okay? As recent as last night, me still a order free things. So through the time cold, me get a set of joggers for Ari. Cause me get free joggers to myself. It only right so me get free joggers to my baby. Me get like a tight set, 5 set, a long sleeve and leggings. Me get some socks for her. She have socks, you know, but I do the socks them bad. The same time they do bad, me just dash them away. Can I come like no matter how I wash them. Me no business one once. Say April don't dash them away. Me not care. No matter how I wash them, they now come out to through the door. So she have a couple pair right now, but as me said through the time cold and wish for me live always cold. Me know say going to be a wet and a cold December. So me get some more socks for her. What else? Me get some things to myself. You know, so if I be honest from me, I get the free things. Them are mostly iron me I get from me. I really get them for myself, you know. So bad to bad the last couple of times I get the free things them. I said, no man, April get something for yourself. So I get some top for me because I'm not top. Now cure my order the free top them off of Shein. Come like me don't know where them gone. So I get some top for me. I think I get couple pair of them little what you call them thing there? Crossbody bag there. More pair. Tell me say my head gone. I get some of them crossbody bag there. What else? What else? Look at me remember me tell you say a whole heap of free things. Me can't keep track of everything. Why again now? Why again I want to tell you before me close out this? Because this video was not meant to be long. But you don't know me can't chat. I'm gonna continue to chat all day. Yeah, but I think that's it. Things not the way I would want them to be necessarily, but as me say, I know things are gonna work out. I just have to put my all in it. I just have to put my all in it. But this video, I basically don't watch under my arm. This video, I just make on know. Say the girl come back. The girl is back, okay? And if me end up I go up on the road later, me I'll carry on with me. But I don't know if I will go because I'm really feeling some type of way. Wanna tell me something? Tell me something nice in the comments. Wanna did miss me? I don't know. Tell me something nice. Cause I don't feel excellent, eh? Okay. But yes, that is it, guys. Look out for all my videos, all of my regular type of videos. Now that the girl get a phone and the girl come back, I'll pray for my cross. No man, my African fix the phone because I get the government $20,000 and I'll get paid soon. So my African fix the phone, bad so bad. So yeah, come on, I really want to record on this. I will go and do it for the time being, but I don't want to get comfortable doing it and then I end up fix the phone. So yes, I'm here. I'm still gorgeous, you know, I'm still gorgeous. I'm putting on weight, which I'm not glad about, and not glad about that, okay? But I plan to take off some weight, not December. Next year, January, is my New Year resolution. I will lose weight, but not this year, because Christmas coming. I have to eat round the clock, so I will see you guys in the next video, okay? Bye, love you.